From Info System. Today we're going to talk about TBO4 user setting and how to customize the solution based on your needs. So there's a user profile settings where we can define what menu to show. We can also add favorite buttons like picking, packing. I'm gonna add, for example, the stock lookup, favorite tree, and I'm going to add the stock transfer. Other than that, we do have we have a number of settings to customize. For example, what field to show or hide on grids. We can also change the order of our column just by drag and drop. We can assign default values like what is the from default warehouse for transfer requests. We have a number of settings, including what are the sound that the application should do. And can hit save. Another settings I would like to show you is the parameter settings. That parameter settings will define your business logic and user experience. So now that we added the favorite buttons, if we go to TBO4, you'll see picking, packing, stock lookup, stock transfer as a favorite big tile. If you go to the RICG group parameter setting, you're going to be able to go and customize business logic and user experience of any other function we do have in the system. We can also customize labels. For example, if I go to picking, we can define if we can pick for multiple warehouse, what is the user experience also of the user. For example, we can say after scanning an item and completing a line, we can go back on the main screen, or we can just go to the next line. We can enable validation like force the bin scan. There are all kind of different options. One other thing that is really worth to mention, beside here we can define what are the photo working directions, for the working directory. If I go back here, there is something that we call the PluginSQL, where we basically can define custom logics to almost anything. For example, on the peak order lines, if we have our own logic, you can see here we can create complex queries and change, for example, the availability of the quantity that includes the open pick, exclude the open pick, same from stock lookup, stock transfer, and so on. See you on the next video. Thank you for your time.